Jomatal British, Jomatal Arab,
the tribal chiefs were busy here fighting among themselves. Bunyoro against Buganda, Uganda against Bunyoro, and all that.
No, remember Bunyoro when you Buganda, Buganda, Bunyoro, when you do attack, you tell that one.
Now, because of that, British officers, Arabs.
Pero man, me repeat one of them, or me on when you get up, when you British double tap. What up?
So you would have isolated efforts like Kabarega and Mwanga, trying to find the British, but others are not involved.
In order to Mwanga, take a year away, Kabarega, when you make a cannon, he fell away, you went to a doctor.
And they were defeated.
Me like one.
Here you had the number of people here trying to fight for isolated in the hills there. And then they were defeated, they killed 2 white men or 3 white men. Up to now they are singing about it, that they killed a white man.
Your Excellency, what of the book is here? What they are doing?
So the question is, if you kill a white man, what happened in the end? Oh, they were defeated, but at least we killed. So the divisions among our tribes were part of the problem. That's how we were colonized. The Ethiopians, when they united, they defeated the Italians in Ethiopia. And even the guns of that time were not that efficient with the organization, even with spears. And we had also guns. We were beginning to get guns. We could have defended ourselves if we were united. But when the independence was coming, more divisions continued. In addition to the old divisions of tribes, you now added new divisions of religion now. The Ugandans had formed a political party called Uganda National Congress, which was like uniting all Ugandans.
Uganda kind of political party, Uganda National Congress.
Led by Aiken Musal.
Not no lawyer, Aiken Musal.
Farmers and so on.
No carrier who don't carry away.
And some of the people in the north here were very much involved with Musal. Yokosofat Emur. From Rango. Then you had people like Abdallah Niru.
Abdallah don't know yet.
They were members of the UNC.
Who remembers UNC?
Otema Al-Mahdi.
Otema Al-Mahdi were here.
People like even Owara. Owara would have been a member of
Peter Owara don't know here until a member of Parliament.
But 1954,
when
the Catholic leaders formed a party based on religion. This is DP.
And we want the DP, Democratic Party.
To take the Catholics out of the UNC. Then in 1960, the Protestants and Muslims formed UPC.
Protestant Robino, qui parle de UPC.
Then the Baganda Protestants and Muslims formed Kabaka Yeka. So that's how Uganda started on the wrong footing. If you are making a basket, there is the core of the basket, which we call a tangle in Yankori. If you get the tangle wrong, the basket will not be proper. So once you bring the politics of tribes, of religion, the first casualty is the politics now. You will not have a party which will get majority.